Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we discussed about the basics of coulometer, which is an important analytical instrument widely used for precise determination of water content. And today we will discuss the coulometer calibration and its electrode cleaning procedure. Friends, my YouTube channel name is Pharma Quality. So please view, like, comment and subscribe my channel. So this presentation demonstrates the calibration of coulometer using hydrogen water standard solution followed by the electrode cleaning and regeneration processes, right? So basically these activities are essential to ensure accuracy, precision and long-term reliability of the instruments. So let's start. So now here first we will discuss how to calibrate the coulometer instrument, right? So first one is the preparation. So for calibration of coulometer, we need to use the hydrogen water standard solution, which is 1000 ppm. Generally, it's available commercially, right? So you will have the ready-made solutions. And then you need to start the system conditioning before adding the water standard solution. So before going for the actual injection of the hydrogen water standard solution, you need to perform the conditioning of the instrument, right? Basically, the system conditioning is performed to stabilize the titration vessel atmosphere and ensure background drift is minimized before the calibration begins, right? The next step is sample injection. So first you need to press the start button once you finish the conditioning, right? Then fill the syringe with water standard solution, that is hydrogen water of 1000 ppm. Then place on balance and weigh, and then inject the approx zero point 0.5 to 1.0 ml of hydrogenal solution into the titration vessels. So once you finish the weighing, you need to inject about 0.5 to 1 ml of hydrogenal solution. Then reweigh the syringe to determine the actual injected weight. So whatever the actual hydrogenal water weight, you need to have that data, right? Then enter the sample size, that is weight difference, and press enter to start the titration, right? So accurate weighing of the syringe before and after injection allows precise calculation of the water content introduced into the system. So once you start the titration, it will automatically finish and provide you results, right? So based on the procedure we discussed, we need to perform the 3 replicate titration for the accurate results, right? And the acceptance criteria for it, that individual results should be within the tolerance limit of certified standard. So there will be the certificate which is available with that standard, that result should be fall within the that certified standards, right? And RST of that those 3 replicate titration result, that should be less than 3.0%. So now here we will discuss the electrode cleaning and its regeneration process. So first step is preparation, right? So for the preparation, you need to switch off the instrument before the electrode regeneration. Then dismantle the generator electrode from the titration vessel and remove all the cable connections which are established into the instrument, right? Then discard the catholyte solution, that is generator electrode, from the generator electrode, and Coulometer solutions which is available into the titration vessels, right? The next step is chemical treatment. So you need to hang the electrode vertically on a support rod and then fill the concentrated HNO3 and leave it for the overnight, and then rinse thoroughly with water and then followed by the ethanol. Then dry all parts completely, and that temperature should not be exceed 70 degrees Celsius if in case oven is used. Then ensure platinum grid is undamaged. So there will be the platinum grid which is available just below of the bottom side of the generator electrode. So that should be the you need to take care about the that platinum grid, that should be the undamaged, right? Then electrode reassemble. So once you will finish your chemical treatment, the washing, and then you need to perform the electrode reassembling, right? So assemble the parts and reconnect the cable. Then add 100 to 150 ml of Coulometer solution to the titration vessel. So that will be the fresh solution. And then add 5 ml of catholyte into the generator electrode, which is also a commercially available, right? Then check the PC and instrument connectivity. So all the connections should be well connected. So once you finish the cleaning procedure as we discussed, so there will be the certain process to follow for the post cleaning verification, right? So first of all, record the cleaning and regeneration activities. So whatever the cleaning and regeneration activities you have performed, you need to be record for the documentation purpose. Then perform a single run with hydrogenal water standard solution as we discussed in the previous slide, right? So you need to run, the single run with the hydrogenal water standard solutions and ensure the results meet the certified tolerance. So friends, this is all about the coulometer calibration and its electrode generation process. Thank you.